Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark messages as unread on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option. After that, select a conversation that you would like to mark as unread. All you have to do is swiping to the left side of the screen till these two options pop up. Tap on the first one, which is the more option, and click on the first option, mark as unread. As you can see now, this conversation is marked as unread. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.